What a sight to wake up to. Wow. Oh, look. Good morning. Well, that's morning wash done, and we'll dry off on the walk back up to the tent. It's absolutely so beautiful and warm, and it's not even 9 AM. Where are you, Millie? Let's peek. Got you, got you. Good girl. Gotta be slow. Well, we've got the tents away. Just need to load up the bike, but it is absolutely roasting. So, come on Millie, let's go. Exceptionally hot today. This is one of the days where if we were at home, I would leave Millie at home, just for it being too warm. But we're dab hands at this, so we're taking advantage of being next to the river, and we're about to get in, cool Millie down, and get her cool vest cooled down, and get her ready before we go. She's not the biggest fan of water, but it's for her own good. You coming? Right, Millie, let's cool you down. like that? Did you like that wee dip in the river? Huh? Is that good? Cool you down? Almost ready to leave. Packed up. I've saturated Millie from the river. Nice and cool now. And look up here. I don't know if you can see it. We've got a paraglider there, and there's one there. Can you see that? It's good, isn't it? Now that must be incredible. What a view. Don't think it would take my weight. I think I'd be like a rock falling from space. But by God, I would love to give it a go. So it's just about to leave our campsite. As you can see, all the way everything's cleared up, and Millie is going crazy at the guys in the, what do you call them, gliders? Paraglider. It's incredible how long they stay up. Look at that. Absolutely amazing. Wow. God, can you imagine having a drone up there flying alongside that? Oh, he's coming into land. Wow. Incredible, look at that. Well, I've had a fantastic past couple of days camping. As you can see, take the rubbish with us for all the time it takes till we find a bin. And very hot day. Millie has been put in the river to cool down, so she's nice and cool. She has her wet jacket on, nice and cool, and she's absolutely losing it at this fit guy over here who has just came out of the skies. There's his other friend up there, and yeah, paragliders, incredible. Never seen anything like it. No, well, obviously I've seen it, but I've never seen it as close as that. Do you know what? How cool would it be if Millie got to travel in a paraglider? That would be awesome. Right, Millie, we are putting your rec specs on you today because it is roasting. There you go. She's got that soggy dog smell going on at the moment. Right. What kind of bark is that? That's pathetic. Oh no, oh no. Oh, let's get going. Let's cool down. And goodbye. Well, I have to take the time to thank Mark for coming along. It's been great, it's been nice meeting him, and we've had a joyful couple of days. Can't ask for much better, to be honest. That's kind of this Jeep pulling in there rather than waiting for us to pull in there. That must feel great because that is absolutely soaking, and Millie should be getting a wee breeze on it. It'll be keeping it even cooler. And she was lying in my jacket because I can feel my jacket a bit wet, so it feels good. You know, one time, see when I'm out on the bike, I'm always blathering on like this, just talk all sorts of rubbish, and I never ever post the videos because I hear myself when I play them back, and half of them I don't even play back, I just delete them. But It's I should just post them on Edited and let you hear the amount of rubbish I spill when I'm just riding along. So me, for doing an overtake here, I'm looking for an overtake where I have a space to return into. I could have if I wasn't talking there, but I'll wait till we're around the next bend. Because I need to make sure I have a space to pull back into. And there you go, I can see for miles. You know, slight exaggeration, but I can see around the next couple of bends, so I'm fine. Just in case. Yep. So I could see down that hill, I could see the biker going over the brow of it. I don't know if there's anything in between. Obviously that assists you when you're overtaking on a left hand bend. If you can see the full road, you see what cars can't see. So I'm following the poles and the tree lines. Over to the left. Cyclist coming down. Keep to the left. Come over the horizon. Still keep to the left. Road curving to the right. Over the horizon. Another cyclist. We nod. See what I mean? Wave to everybody. Go over to the left. Switch over to the right. Left bend ahead. I do this all the time, just talk to myself about the road ahead. It kind of, especially if you're suffering any sort of fatigue or starting to tire, get your visor open, get the air round about you, and stop when you can, have a coffee and a break. But when you're riding for hours and hours, sometimes you just kind of zone out, so it's nice to just attempt to keep your mind sharp any way you can. Over to the left. Sticking to the left because I can see over the brow of the next hill. Keeping to the left. For people asking why I'm saying sticking to the left, if you're going to round a right hand curve, bikers know this, but car drivers might not necessarily know this. For example, if I'm going around a right hand bend, if I keep myself way over to the left, I can see more round that bend, giving me more time to react. Same if I'm going around the left hand bend, I keep myself over to the right hand side, giving me a clearer view of the road ahead. And that's what it's all about. Car coming out of the farm, am I right? Acknowledgement. Make one bend flow into the next bend. Me staying over to the right allows me to see more, so I see that tractor obviously quicker than I would if I was tight into the left. It's common sense to bikers, maybe not to car drivers. Car drivers maybe question why they think bikers are over the road, and there's a reason we're doing it. We're doing it to give ourselves the best view of the road ahead and the safest position possible. And so obviously you're always ready to sacrifice your road positioning for safety. Rule of thumb is left hand bend you'd be over to the right and right hand bend over to the left, but that can change in an instant. With maybe unbroken white lines, a sharper bend, you want to kind of sit over slightly more, with oncoming vehicles coming towards you, poor road conditions, potholes, poor surfacing, everything, but putting yourself in the best position to see all that gives you time to react to it. And everybody can make mistakes, so we're all human. So just putting yourself in the best position to correct it and enjoy. Get to the speed and be off the brake before you hit the bend. You don't want to brake on a bend because it will change your characteristics of the bike. It will stand it up, cause you great problems and can send you over the other side of the road, which again has happened to every biker at some point. And you know what brings us through it? Absolutely sheer luck. Nobody's perfect. Watch you drive, over past the cyclist, back over to the left, slow down, this is a nice enough speed, around you go, back over to the right, position over to the left, always glancing in the mirror as well, keeping an eye on who's behind me. One thing which catches a lot of bikers off guard, well I say that, might not, catches me off guard, is another biker out enjoying these roads, maybe enjoying it at a better pace than I am, and he's looking for his opportunity to pass, and quite rightly he passes. But sometimes if you've not checked your mirror, it's it catches you off guard and makes you have a wee tolly. For those not in Scotland, that means it makes you crap yourself. So you see we've got a left hand bend ahead. Car coming with a trailer on it, I think, so can slightly pull over a little. Not got a trailer, why did I forget a trailer? Get down to speed before you get to the bend, and around you go nice and easy. You can get very disorientated with the sun being out and shadows on the road. It can make you misjudge your visual point. Look at that, stunning. Right, it was a pleasure. Glad you enjoyed it. It was a good weekend, definitely.
Are we doing it again?
Oh aye.
Right, brilliant. We need to get that card job done.
I never need much encouragement.
Right.
And it's us at Blair Gowrie, and we are parting ways. Mark's heading down towards Kelso. So yeah, he's away. Right, just leaving me.